In this video, you'll learn how to cancel a bid on eBay as a seller. By following these steps, you will successfully navigate the process of removing a bidder from your auction listing when necessary. First, sign into your eBay seller account. On the home page, locate the listing that currently has active bids. To proceed with a cancellation, you need to access the official bid cancellation form provided by eBay. This form is essential for sellers who wish to remove a bidder under specific circumstances, so ensure that you have both the item number and the bidder's username readily available. Next, open the bid cancellation form. In the designated field, enter the item number associated with your auction listing where the bid was placed. After this, type the username of the bidder whose bid you intend to cancel. It is important to select a reason for the cancellation from the available options, such as a bidder requesting cancellation or noting an error in the listing. Be sure to review all the information you have entered to confirm its accuracy before moving forward. Once you have double-checked the details, click the Submit button to complete your bid cancellation request. This action will remove the bid from your auction listing, and the bidder will no longer be able to participate in the auction. It is crucial to remember that cancelling bids should only be performed for valid reasons as stipulated by eBay's policies. Improperly cancelling bids may negatively impact your seller reputation. After submitting the request, you may see a confirmation message indicating that the cancellation has been successfully processed. If you do not receive such confirmation, check your listing to ensure the bid has been removed. Additionally, consider the implications of cancelling bids on your account standing, as frequent cancellations can lead to restrictions on your selling privileges. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.